Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at SingularityNet or AGIX. AGIX is currently at the $0.274 level. We are currently ranked at 151 with a market cap of about $342 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $26 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for AGIX. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right. So in the last 1 week, AGIX is down 4.8%, and in the last 24 hours, AGIX or our singularity net is down 3.6%. And so without further ado, let us push to the chart and see what's next right here for AGIX, right? So we are on the chart for singularity net or AGIX versus the USD dollars. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? So for AGIX right here, as you can see, the moment our trending EMA stand bullish right here on the daily time frame, we became very bullish on AGIX, and as you can see from the flip, we are up a whopping, let's see, 99% right on our portfolios, right? And the moment, as you can see, you would remember the moment our trending EMA turned bearish, right? I made a video saying warning signals, right? Our trending EMA was turning bearish, and we are about to see some sort of little correction. We saw that little correction right here for AGIX, and that correction is almost over. And I'll tell you why. We are still expecting one last push. That could be a fake out to the downside, and then before we see this sort of massive bounce to the upside right here for AGIX, because AGIX is still bullish and we are still expecting higher, but we need to complete this structure right here before we see this sort of massive bounce to the upside, right? And so we are currently forming structure above this bull market EMA. We could see one more push to the downside, which could be a fake out before we see this massive bounce. One of the reasons is right here on the volume profile, we are seeing the bears are still in control right here, as you can see, even though we are seeing huge bullish candles coming in, right? So the bulls are trying to buy up every sort of AGIX at these levels, but basically, right, as you can see, the trend is still bearish a bit, right? And so the bears are still in control right here at the moment. And so we could see some little downside. And also another reason we could see one last push to the downside is basically Bitcoin, the king of the market, right? Bitcoin, you know, whenever a lot of coins or Bitcoin moves down, a lot of altcoins move down with it. And when Bitcoin moves up, a lot of coin moves up with it, right? And we have noticed this pattern right here on Bitcoin, that when we see the MACD cross on the 3 days time frame, Bitcoin usually touches the bottom of the Bollinger Bands before we see a bounce. Same thing right here. As you can see, MACD cross, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and bounce. MACD cross, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then bounce. Same thing right here. MACD cross, we touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band and then we bounce, right? Currently, we have seen that MACD cross, which happened on the 26th of December, and we are about to touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So the bottom of the Bollinger Bands right here is down there at the $38,000 level. So that is where you want to be accumulating even more AGIX, as you could just see some little push to the downside, even to that $0.25 level before we see this massive bounce we are expecting right here for AGIX to the upside, right? Make no mistakes, AGIX is still massively bullish on the daily, and we are expecting this massive push of another 165% to the upside, right? So that's the update right here for AGIX. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed